रात हंसी मैं शरारती हूँ हाँ Shararati, it has consonants and vowels put together.
Yeah.
So then you can use it to make it more playful. What was told to me was like a retro. The timeline is not modern right now. रात हंसी मैं शरारत. That's also an approach, but we took a dynamic approach. एक और misconception है. हाँ वही सूफी गजल आप गा दो ना. They're two different things. It's like talking about sambar and talking about dal. You know, where do you take a breath? Shashwat's compositions are sometimes like that, so वो थोड़ा cheat करना पड़ता है. Hi guys, Shilpa Rao here, and you're watching Mashable Toso. We have to talk about the day because जिस दिन हम इसको record कर रहे थे, so I reached the studio and we were recording. In fact, both the songs we were recording, Sajna Tu Beeman and Kufur, dono, because we were wrapping up the album and the next day I was traveling, so we had to finish both the songs. I reached there and then the phone started buzzing because the national award announcements had happened. So it was thank you and that day. So then I think Shah Rukh sir was coming in, but then of course he was also flooded with so many calls, and so Aryan had come in, and so we were like, "Abhi aaj record karna hai." I said, "नहीं, it's a great day to record today. No matter what you do, the recording days are actually my most favorite days." So Aryan was there and we started with Ghafoor, and obviously what was told to me was it's like a retro. The timeline is not modern right now.
Okay.
It was from the previous years. So I thought, okay, this has to now sound also like that. So we tried to emulate the retro vibe in this. So yeah, that's always a challenge when you have something which is from the yesteryears and then you have to make it modern too so that someone can connect. So yeah, I think Shashwat really, with the mix, he really turned the whole thing around. You need to learn how to use vowels and consonants in your singing. The vowels give you space, an open space, like the ahs and oos and ees. It has more open space. But when you have consonants like t's and ch, and these are consonants when you have to. The pronunciation actually adds to the little hold and release. Like for example, the first line is रात हंसी मैं शरारती हूँ हाँ. So now हाँ is an open syllable. रात हंसी मैं शरारती. So the Shararati, it has consonants and vowels put together.
Yeah.
So then you can use it to make it more playful. मैं शरारती हूँ हाँ. वो पूरा ही mood ही kill हो जाएगा. So रात हंसी. So I used a lot of vibratos. It gives you that, you know, the use of, you know, like small breath, you know, expressions in it. So we use that. मैं शरारती हूँ हाँ. So it's an open syllable, but that whole हाँ, it also again gives you a playful vibe. Or you can say हाँ, ये भी आप कर सकते हो. हाँ, there's so many ways you can do it. But then that whole beat हाँ. So when you visually also look at it, if Tamanna had to do that हाँ, she can do that. No, first things first. Obviously, you've been called for something, which means that the casting in the head is done that, okay, this is the vocal zone I want to go in. You don't know what you're going to do in front of the mic. That is a complete mystery. So even to come to this tone, Shashwat and I did a lot of tweaking. अच्छा, आप अगर इसको आउट एंड आउट गाओगे तो कैसा लगेगा, अगर आप इसको विस्परी गाओगे तो कैसा लगेगा, अगर आप इसको डायनामिकली गाओगे तो कैसा लगेगा. लाइक यू कुड से रात हंसी मैं शरारती हूँ हाँ. दिस इज आल्सो अप्रोच. ओके, रात हंसी मैं शरारती. दैट्स आल्सो एन अप्रोच, बट वी टुक डायनामिक अप्रोच. रात हंसी मैं शरारती हूँ हाँ. वी टुक अ डायनामिक अप्रोच. सो इट आल्सो साउंड्स retro, but also has a little modern. Like I said, it's a very this comes in aesthetic. Like what is the aesthetic of a song? What is the aesthetic that will, you know, differentiate it from the different songs that exist already? There are some lines when you smile and sing, it shows in the
song,
in that, you know, that expression comes through your face. So you just don't sing with your vocals. It's a misconception. You sing with everything that you have. Your whole face is like a vocal unit. Sometimes that smile is necessary when you're singing that. Sometimes you need to literally grin. You have to literally bite words. Kavala, there was a line, Machata Muracha. You have to bite the words. When you look at us when we're singing, that's when you know what actually goes down in the recording. Yeah. My most natural self is the resonance that I have naturally. I build on that. It starts from there. For Ghafoor, so it also like Raat Raat Hasi. So it's also the front and the palate, the upper palate. It's something from there. It is not Raat. It's not coming from there. When some karte na I think. Just to make a resonance, people fall back on this. I don't agree with that approach. There's another misconception that if you need a thicker voice, you go, again, but that's just a place where you're singing it from. It doesn't naturally make your voice like that. This cannot be a natural voice. This is you're making an effort to sound like that. Ek to sabse pehle, there's no something called, can you do a Sufi voice? There's a Sufi song. There's no such thing. Kalam hote hain jo bahut sare many wise men have written and it's called a Sufi kalam. Sufi song kuch hota nahi ho to इसको kalam बोलते हैं तो वो गाते हैं हम लोग. और of course उर्दू में गजल होती है. एक और misconception है. हाँ वही सूफी गजल आप गा दो ना. They're two different things. It's like talking about sambar and talking about dal. They're two different things. Okay, they don't come from the same place. One person can't do both. It's that hardcore. So, an attempt to sing like a qawwal, it takes your entire lifetime to develop that kind of vocal technique. A lot of people who sing chop til, ये आपकी आवाज नहीं है. आप अपनी आवाज में गाएं. In whatever voice you have. So, it's necessary to understand your natural vocal self to be able to work on it. जब आप किसी गुरु या उस्ताद के पास आप जाते हो सीखने के लिए, सबसे पहले आपको बगैर साज बगैर कुछ भी वो आपकी पहली आवाज़ सुनेंगे. Then they will say, okay, this is your key, this is what you have to build anything. And something that doesn't come naturally to you, I think you need to think of what you want to do, what you don't want to do. He's a bad motherfucker. Is that the antra? Again, the breathing problem was here, like, you know, like it's something like Reshmi badan ye fisalta nigaahon pe raaz chupaya. So, you know, where do you take a breath? So, Shashwat's compositions are sometimes like that. So, वो थोड़ा cheat करना पड़ता है. Reshmi badan ye fisalta nigaahon pe तो वो breath को गायब करना पड़ता है. That place. So, थोड़ा you have to cheat. Well, there is only one exercise that I've done all my life. It's not too complicated. And it's just, whatever your range is, it's 2 octaves or 1.5 octaves, 3 octaves. I mean, if you're Freddie Mercury, maybe 4 octaves. If you're Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, I can't even count. Everyone is different. And first, understand that. Whatever your range is, if you are able to do a vocal run from the lowest to the highest and back and forth in your most effortless natural self, and you can do this with time for as long as you sing, I think it just makes your voice come alive.